Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add scrolling effects to your website. It's a very easy tutorial if you understand how it works. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and you might end up to your dashboard. Click on your website and let's say you have some models on your website. I have this one. This is the pre-made website as you can see. And there are some few models over here as you can see, but at the top I have a separate one over here, right? So what if I want to scroll down, and when I scroll down, this character can go to the right or to the left. So it looks good in my opinion. And after that, let's say you have one more character like the same one model over here, and you want to scroll that to the left. So how you can do that? So the first one, obviously you need to use Elementor. Just install this plugin to your WordPress and click on edit Elementor, whichever the page you want to edit. Once you click on there, it might take some time to load up, so wait for a while. And as you can see, we are here. So the model we have is this one, right? So make sure to click on this one. And on the left side, we have some menu options over here. Click on style and advanced, and you can see these are some properties of this character or model. So what you need to do is just close this layout, and we have motion effects over here. Click on this option, and this is the scrolling effect which we were looking for, right? Click on this option. This is enabled now. And let's say if I scroll down, this character should go to the right. So how I can do that? This is all about horizontal, right? So just click on horizontal. This will enable the horizontal now. And which direction it will go? To the left? No, we need to go to the right? So let's click on this option. And after that, which speed you want. So you can obviously play around like this is speed. As you can see, this is moving, right? And if you want to, go for max speed, let's see how it works. So this looks good in my opinion, right? And you can play around every single thing in this, with Elementor, by the way. So you need to have an Elementor. And I think you can also do with this one. If you close this, go to motion effects, enable this. And let's say you want this same with, this model, right? And I'm going with the max. And let's see how it works. You see how good looks, good it looks. And you can go with all of them. And after that, once you go over here, let's say someone wants to go this one and someone go more further down. So you can go with this one to the left side, right? And the right side, you can play around it as much as you want. And after that, just click on update and publish. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add scrolling effect to your website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.